Verifying your identity on Wickr can sometimes be challenging, especially if the initial verification fails. Follow these steps to successfully complete the verification process. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the information you provided during the verification process is accurate. Double-check your name, email address, and any other required details to avoid discrepancies. Step 2. Review verification requirements. Visit Wickr's official website or help center to review the specific requirements for identity verification. Make sure you understand what documents or information are needed for successful verification. Step 3. Resubmit your verification request. If your initial verification failed, try resubmitting your request. Follow the instructions carefully and ensure that you attach all necessary documents in the correct format. Step 4. Contact customer support. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for a response. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. They may take some time to review your case, but they will provide guidance on the next steps or inform you if further action is needed. By following these steps, you can improve your chances of successfully verifying your identity on Wickr. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.